All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the evening watch list report with yours truly, Dex the Algo Capitalist. All right, let's jump right into this. Running late again today, but as you know, today was FOMC and CPI. The Fed decided to leave rates alone, but hinted that next year we could expect 4 rate cuts. Also, signaling that there's a possibility that we could see rate cuts as early as September of this year and or November of this year. So very interesting wordage being used there, and the markets reacted kind of mixed. So if you take a look here at the theta, you'll see that we have a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading, and you see that the bulls have now taken control of the market. Taking a look at ZEC or Zcash, we also have a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading as the bulls are defending right here at the bottom of the Kumo cloud, trying to get prices back up to that $28 mark. Next, we have XRP Ripple. Rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading, as well as the market is going to try to get back up to the bottom of the Kumo cloud on that one. Then we have silver. Silver also did something interesting today, giving us a bullish algo shift. All right, so we got the bullish algo shift back. All right, and the market is trying to do a little something with that. So we'll see if the market could take advantage of this rampage here and try to push prices back near toward that 32 resistance zone. That's the key resistance zone for the market right now. So either this is going to set up for the bullish algo shift, or it's going to set up for another leg down. All right, it did it back here. We didn't, really didn't get too much upside production. The market clipped back down again. So there's a strong possibility that that is what we are going to see yet again. So very interesting turn of events here thus far. Next, we have the Dow futures, and you can see the bullish algo shift is alive and well. Market did push higher today. So it looks like the market is still struggling. What is called this 39,000? This resistance zone here, the top of the Kumo cloud. So the market's been kind of like towing the line there at 39,000. And it just needs a push. We got a rampage coming up here that could help, but this is also a vortex. So therefore, it's a dangerous time for the Dow. Either the Dow is going to get up and boogie, or it's going to falter here. And if that happens, well, I think you know the rest of that story. Next, we have the mighty NASDAQ 100. What's up? Look at this new 52-week high, new all-time highs. I told you the NASDAQ wants to go to 20,000. And that appears to be what is now in play. NASDAQ 100, 20,000 is now in play. Next, we have gold futures. Gold futures also caught a little bit of a wink and a nod today. The market rallied, and we have the bullish algo shift still back in play. It is back in play. Can the market break the 2400 overhead resistance zone? That will be the question. Next, we have the E-mini S&P 500, new all-time highs, new 52-week highs. The market is wide open and wants to go to 5,500. So 5,500, here we come. Next, we got crude oil. Crude oil still cruising for a bruising here, right? It's saying I'm ready to rock and roll, and it's right below the vortex here. Is it going to get caught up in it, and is it going to get drastic uplift? Do we see a parabolic up bar possibility to get the market back above 80? That's the question. And the volatility is alive and well in crude oil, and the market is in rally mode. Next, we have the euro. Look how the euro popped today. Wowzers, right? That was some rally today. So being long the euro right now seems to be what is happening. The bullish algo shift is alive and well, and this was a powerful upsurge. So perhaps we will get follow through, and finally the market will be able to break the 109. I think 109 is definitely in play for the euro. Next, we got the pound sterling. Powerful upsurge rally today here, too. What is going on? Is the dollar really about to get punched all up in the face? I don't know, but this bullish algo shift in this pound sterling is most certainly alive and well. Next, we have the Aussie. Now, the Aussie exploded today too, but it's still under the sell the rally mode even after this. So this is interesting. This is very interesting. The Aussie is still having a problem with 67. 67 seems to be very difficult. The line in the sand here going all the way back. Historically, it has struggled. Every time it gets near it, it falls apart. Every time it gets above it, it falls apart. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see how this plays out. But Russell my hustle. Big upsurge rally today. Look at that explosive rally. And it gave us a bullish algo shift now for the Russell. Can it finally get above 2100? And can it stay above 2100? That is the question. We'll have to wait and see, won't we? Next, we have Ethereum futures bullish algo shift. So we're expecting on these bullish algo shifts for these rallies to continue. We see a continuation going on here. So definitely interesting. Next, we have the Bitcoin futures. What do we have? Bullish algo shift. The market is saying we got a short-term low in place, even though you're in a longer consolidated pattern, and the market wants to try to break out again. It wants to get back above 70K. We'll see. Next, you have the US dollar index. Incredible sell-off. The bearish algo shift is alive and well, pushing the price action back below the Kumo cloud yet again. So the sideways sell the rally mode is alive and well in the dollar, and it's not looking good. It's adding fuel to the fire for the other currency pairs. All right, folks, so that's what we got today. The close was very interesting. Tomorrow's close will give us a little bit more clarity as the rest of the world digests all the activities of the day. And now we got to look at what we're going to do for tonight. So remember, the system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And on that note, I'm out. Peace.